Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another DIY craft session. And guys, this is the craft for the day. Can you see this cute little cow here? Yeah, this is what we will be making today. And to make it, let's quickly shift to the workstation so that I can take you through all the requirements. So we would need lots and lots of black sketch pen, maybe marker if you want to use. Okay, so black marker or black sketch pen, mandate. Other color sketch pens, yes, keep them by your side for little bit of the detailings. Basic stationeries including pencil, eraser, sharpener and scale. Okay, Fevicol for the pasting work. I'll be making the use of googly eyes here. Alright, yes, to increase the impact. Then tape, cello tape or double-sided tape, any of the tape you can use here. Scissor for the cutting work, and above all the paper cup which will work as the body of the cow. So let me keep things on the side so that I can start the process, or we can start the making. Okay. Also one A4 size white sheet to create the rest of the elements here. Okay. So I'm keeping these things on the side. Here is the cow. You can have a look from here. Okay. Now starting with the paper cup, the body of the cow. So try to make the use of white paper cup here. Okay, white disposable glass or white paper cup. And with the help of marker, I'm making few patterns on it. You start making it with the pencil first, then outline and color filling. Okay, so make some patches like this and fill that up with the black color itself, be it black marker, be it black sketch pen. So make certain patterns and patches like these and fill them up as well at the same time. Okay, so fill them up, fill them up, fill them up. Okay, like this. So this was number one. Making the next one like this. Okay, so this is number two of such pattern here. Alright, so little at a gap, not one after the other, but little at a gap, we are supposed to make the structures like these. Okay, now one here at this portion, one here, okay, one here and a smaller one on this side. Now let me fill them up with the black color, each one of them. So these are the little patterns or patches on the cow's body. Yes, that's how you all are supposed to make it. Okay, yes. So this is how you all are supposed to make it. Alright. Likewise, this patch here. Okay, so fill it up with, if you want to make fill it up with the black sketch pen, you can do that with black sketch pen. If you want to make the use of black marker here, so make the use of black marker also. Okay, and in case by any chance if you are using paint colors here, so give it the time to rest and to dry properly. Okay, to avoid any sort of color messing and color mixing. All right, here one more, the last one, and I'm filling it up with the black marker only. So different patterns, it shouldn't be even. Yes, it can't be actually even, the patterns on the cow's body. Yes, to give it a realistic approach and to give it a realistic look, that's how we are making it. Okay, now keep it on the side. Take the white sheet on your workstation. Here is the white sheet. I've taken it on my workstation. Now I am making some patterns, some structures with the marker. You all need to make it with pencil. Okay, so first make one upside down U-like structure here. Okay, inside it another one. Okay, similarly with the sketch I'm making it now a little bigger than this. All right, bigger and longer. Then one line here, dome like structure joining the line. Okay, two such structures, one needs to be smaller, another one needs to be little bigger. Okay, then Make one rectangle, standing rectangle, but the corners need to be curved like this. Okay? Yes? And from here, at this point here, this baseline of the rectangle, standing rectangle, make one structure like this, a sleeping oval like this. Okay? And one curve on top, coming down. One curve on top, making a horn-like structure, coming down. One downward leaf-like structure, which are the ears of the cow, and one from this side as well. Okay? So this will be the formation. These are the formations. Yes? Now let's quickly take the scissor and start cutting it one by one. So starting with the cutting of head portion, because it includes little good number of curves. Yes? And the turns here. So starting with this. Alright. Now going up. The turn and curve for the ear set. Yes. Now this one here, then the horns of the cow. So I'm cutting the structure for the horns of the cow now. Okay, then going ahead like this. All right, taking a turn here. Cool. One more time from the other side, just by following the outlines here. All right, up till this much we are done. Now the bend for the ears, taking it downward like this. Another curve for the ear, going down like this, taking a turn and almost giving the final cutting to the head structure. So this will be the head structure. Okay, keeping it on the side. Now I will be doing the cutting for this structure here, upside down U, a dome-like structure. So starting with this, first cut the smaller U from inside. Okay, take that out. You can see the hollow structure here. Yes, this hollow structure. Now start following the outline of the outside. Okay, so following that outline and moving in the direction of the outline here, we got a structure like this. So this is our structure number 2. Now comes the turn for structure number 3. Okay, and with this we are done with the cutting, major cutting of the elements. Okay, so keeping these things on the side, we will need, or we would require, like white sheet one more time here, starting with this portion. Okay, so first of all, making the surface even and taking the center, the smaller U out from the sheet. Yes, that's how we did it earlier also. Now the outline of the bigger U, the outline of bigger U. So following that, we will be giving our cutting to this structure here. Okay, like this. Alright, now keeping all these trims away, take the marker or the sketch pen and start giving them the outline. So here I'm giving the outline to this structure here. Okay, following the outline. Yes, an outline like this. Similarly, an outline from inside area also. So let me give that an outline here and joining it from the base. So this was the outline for base set 1. That means leg set 1. Now fill the surface from this side. Yes, the foot area. Similarly for this one, another foot area. Cool, done. One patch here, fill that up. Okay, another one here and fill that up as well. Okay, as per your choice, you can add the designs or structures to these formations, okay, to these puddles or to these patterns here. Now the outline for this also. So here, okay, with the turn one more time like this. All right, the corner outlines are done for these two, the baseline, then the curved outlines here. All right, going ahead like this as well, and here. All right, now the patches. So making structure for this side, one more here on this side and filling that up as well. All right, and one more smaller one here on this side. Rest the foot portion, so coloring the base of the foot areas. So that's set 1. Now set number 2. Okay, so these two structures are ready. It's time to give the outline to the main element, the important element, which is the face of the or the head of the cow. Okay, so starting with the horns here. All right, now moving on to the ears. Yes, making it dark like this. Okay, then going ahead like this. Okay, now for this portion here, first I'm spreading the line like this. Now making the whole oval out of it, a sleeping oval like structure, and giving a formation accordingly like this. Okay, that's done. So covering this portion like this, giving the outline to the head portion here like this. Okay, similarly covering this, going down like this, ear portion. So the outline of the ear, okay, the outline of this horn here, and almost done. Okay, up till this much we all are done. Now taking thinner marker, making some upward facing curves like these. I've added some on both the sides of horns. So here I've added some. Okay, now one more time thicker marker, making a line here in middle of the ear, similarly in the middle of the ear. All right, one big patch around the head area, and let's fill that up also with the black marker here. So I'm filling that up with the black marker here. All right, once done, now what we'll do, we'll take the pink color sketch pen, fill that up in this portion, the sleeping oval one first. Okay, so let's fill that up with the pink color, this portion here, filling it up. Okay, from all the sides like this. Yeah, coloring this whole surface here. All right, that's done. Now thin marker and making C, curved C like structures like these two. Cool, everyone? Yes. Now pink sketch pen one more time, coloring this area inside the ear, one half of the ear, the way we have made a partition here. Similarly, one half, a lower half of this side of the ear too. Okay, after this much we all are done. Yes, are we all on the same page? Perfect. Now taking the googly eyes, the bigger ones for this time, these two bigger eyes here, taking the glue. Let me take the glue. Okay, adding on the back side of it. So let me add some here. One eye needs to be placed here, the other one. So some amount of glue needs to be added onto this one also, and carefully placing it here like this. So see, it's looking great. I'm letting it to dry. In the meantime, from the white sheet of paper, first of all, we will take one this longer patch and this thicker. Okay, separating it. Similarly, we will take one more patch here, comparatively thicker, and now cutting it from the sheet. Okay, cool. Now, for this thinner one, take the marker, make one line, a partition at the end of it, and fill that whole structure inside it. Okay, needs to be the space inside it, and fill that up with the marker or sketch pen. Okay, once done, take the another half of it and bend it inward like this. Give it a inward bend like this. Okay, now for this portion, take the scissor and give thin trims to it to give a look of hair set. Yes, and that's what we are trying to portray or implement here. So these are the hair set on the tail of the cow. Okay, so this is the tail. And for this portion here, now take the tape. All the elements are right here on our workstation. This is the body of the cow. Okay, first of all, I will take the tape. Okay, this is a double-sided tape, so I am doing a cutting like this. Okay, first of all, taking a patch, this patch here, and whichever side I want to keep in front, so I want to keep this side in front here. Okay, placing this inside the cup and making it stick like this. Okay, cutting the excess because this is little extra. I don't want this it to be this long. Now giving a fold like this here. Okay, a fold like this, and this will be the place where the head of the cow will be placed or will be positioned like this. Okay, now one more time, taking the tape. Okay, I have taken the tape. Now carefully applying it or remove the upper flap of it. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. Or other way around, if you are using a cello tape, so make a turn like this. So fold it like this, double it up, place it here at the top of this folded turn here. Okay, now pick the head of the cow and place it, like make it stick. Okay, so make it stick like this. Okay, that's done. Yeah, all right. Once the head is stick to the surface, it's time to add the shorter set of legs from inside. So this shorter set of legs from inside needs to be placed, and to do that, one more time we will be making the use of tape here. Okay, yes, so here is the tape. All right, and I am removing a tag from it. Okay, applying some of the tape here on this surface. One more time, I'm taking some more of the tape here. Okay, keeping two to three tags of tape by my side as a backup. Okay, now putting this one, removing the upper layer of it first, sticking it here on the surface. Now removing the upper flap from it, so it has got a hole here. Okay, now like this on the cup we will be making it stick or hold. Okay, or at a little lower base, as in when or how much, whichever position we want to make it position to. Okay, that's done. Now flipping the sides, it's time for the bigger one. Yeah, so this bigger one needs to be placed like this in the front on whichever side the patterns are made. So taking the tape, okay, folding it like this. All right, adding some on the back side on top of it, Similarly, taking some more of tape here. Alright. And taking a piece out of it like this. Applying on this side here. Alright. Similarly, one more of the strip that needs to be added on the other half. Okay. Here. So, removing the tape from here. Alright. That's done. Now, carefully holding it up. This needs to be placed like this. Okay, so we are placing it from here. The positioning needs to be appropriate. And that's how we are doing it. Yeah. So, position it like this on the surface to make it hold. Okay, one of it is already on the back, and that's the position where this tail needs to be stick. So if you have observed it, I have let this one stay there because this is the position from where we will be fixing the tail. So the top of the tail, and it's ready. The 3D cow structure is ready. It's looking really cute, right? The front leg set is out. Yes, so give it a good fixing, my little kiddos. Okay, let it fix. Let the structure stay there for a while so that it gets a good hold. Okay, yes, it gets a good hold. And do share your work as well as your experience with us on the Yellow Class portal, or on Yellow Class Facebook page, or on Yellow Class Instagram page, everyone. Okay, we will be meeting very soon with something more amazing, more creative, and more fun for you all. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See ya.